3, 2, 1.
What biblical prophet inspired the popular gospel song Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, composed by Wallace Willis? The answer is B. Elijah. Yogi Bear debuted in 1958 as a supporting character in which animated series? The answer is C. The Huckleberry Hound Show. What does the digit immediately to the right of the decimal point represent in a decimal number? The answer is B. Tenths. In which of the New York City boroughs is Rockefeller Center situated? The answer is A. Manhattan. Early in the development of a human fetus, the skeleton is made entirely of what? The answer is D. Cartilage. Which TV show is about a high school where everyone sings? The answer is A. Glee. What chemical substances are secreted by animals that communicate by odor or taste? The answer is A. Pheromones. Which company developed the first hard drive? The answer is B. Western Digital. Which company did Clarence Saunders found in 1916? The answer is A. The Piggly Wiggly. Which element is commonly used in fluorescent light bulbs? The answer is A. Neon. Which sitcom features the characters Chandler, Monica, Ross, Rachel, Joey, and Phoebe? The answer is A. Friends. What type of hat is associated with a cowboy's outfit? The answer is D. Stetson. Which of these is the surface temperature of the sun? The answer is B. 9,950 degrees Fahrenheit. What common air pollutant is characterized by its sharp odor and often triggers asthma attacks? The answer is D. Nitrogen dioxide. In the novel The Clique, what school do the members of the Pretty Committee go to? The answer is C. OCD. On May 6, 1937, the Hindenburg exploded as it tried to dock in the Lakehurst Naval Station in New Jersey. Out of the 97 people on the Zeppelin, how many died? The answer is B. 35. What is the title of the novel by Fyodor Dostoevsky where a man contemplates committing a crime for a stranger? The answer is A. Crime and Punishment. In 1999, CBS had a second edition of the show 60 Minutes, called what? The answer is B. 60 Minutes Roman II. Which kitchen item is used to roll out dough? The answer is B. Rolling pin. The Four Musketeers, Elizabeth and Lucky Spencer, Emily Quatermain and Nicholas Cassadine, often eat dinner together with ribs from what restaurant? The answer is C. Elise. Which novel is about a young girl named Scout? The answer is B. To Kill a Mockingbird. Which motoring brand is associated with the marketing slogan Let's Go Places? The answer is C. Toyota. What causes a rainbow to appear in the sky? The answer is B. Shattering of sunlight by water droplets. What is a round, upholstered seat without arms or backrests called? The answer is A. Beanbag. When do homologous chromosomes separate and go to different gametes? The answer is A. During meiosis. What type of light has shorter wavelengths than visible light and has enough energy to kill bacteria? The answer is A. Ultraviolet. When the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, causing the rays of light to hit Earth at large angles, which season occurs? The answer is A. Winter. What is a sundial used to measure? The answer is B. Distance. Norwegian inventor Johan Vaaler was granted a patent in Germany in 1899 for the invention of what? The answer is C. The paperclip. Which president of the United States does Anthony Hopkins portray in Steven Spielberg's historical drama Amistad? The answer is A. John Quincy Adams. In which of these films did Ron Perlman co-star with Wesley Snipes? The answer is B. Blade Roman 2. What was the first novel Dick Francis wrote? The answer is A. Dead Cert. What is a flat, broad knife used for spreading butter called? The answer is B. Spatula. What is the only ocean that doesn't have any coastline with Australia? The answer is D. Southern Ocean. What is Pam's birth name on the sitcom The Office? The answer is A. Pam Morgan Beasley. Who first transmitted radio signals across the Atlantic? The answer is A. Guglielmo Marconi. What is El Niño associated with? The answer is A. Warming. Which artist's work includes the persistence of memory? The answer is A. Salvador Dali. What is the name of the process that separates a mixture based on the difference in their densities? The answer is A. Distillation. What can occur during periods of heavy rain? The answer is A. Floods. Sandy and Keith planned to move a 6-kilogram block. If they wanted to calculate the mechanical energy required to move the block, what units would they use to report their answer? The answer is A. Joules. The thick skin, found only on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet, has an extra watt. The answer is A. Layer. In which year was Minecraft first released? The answer is B. 2010. Captain Tupolev, played by Stellan Skarsgård in the movie The Hunt for Red October, is commander of what Soviet submarine? The answer is D. Kanevlo. Which country hosts the United Nations headquarters? The answer is C. USA. The national motto of what South American country is one people, one nation, one destiny? The answer is D. Guyana. What has many today, but no yesterdays? A child. The answer is D. Child. Which Grey's Anatomy character said this? If I miss a real procedure because of this case, they are gonna call me 007 because I killed you. The answer is B. Christina. Which country has the most islands? The answer is C. Sweden. What is the longest railway tunnel in the world?